boys and girls, and welcome to on Guitar. We have a happy song here from KHAID. This one is called Jolie. So we have a 2-chord song. It's very great, only 2 chords. And we will set our capo high up here on the 7th fret, and that is because we want these high notes here. Yeah, and we will try to bring them into the strumming. So let's go. Capo on second here, and we have first the A. So that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. And you will alternate that with the D. So that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. Okay, so before we go into the notes here, we'll look at the strumming pattern to get the basics first. So if we grab the A, one strumming round will be down, down, up, up, down. Down, down, up, up, down. So a couple of rounds of it sounds like this. With some standard tempo. So you're gonna play 3 rounds for A, and then we're gonna play these 2 notes, and then we're gonna go 3 rounds for D. And you're gonna wanna go back and forth like this. So if you just look at the strumming patterns, it will be like this. All right, so the added notes will be for A, and the 2nd fret B string, and open B. Okay, so you're gonna play A 3 string rounds. And now the 2 added notes. Here you're just gonna do 2 downs, 1 down per note. So this one. So 2nd B, open B. And then you switch to D and play 3 string rounds. Now the 2 notes we will find here on the 2nd fret E string and open E. So 2 downs there as well. And then you go back. So slowly with the notes and strumming, everything sounds like this. That's it, my friends. Just some technique stuff here when it comes to A. When you do the notes, try to stop at the B string. So you do the down there. Try to not play the E string here. So stop at the B, and that way you emphasize the notes you want here. So, and for D, of course, you go all the way down since you had the notes on the E string. All right, so that's it. KHAID, Jolie, great fun song to play. So good luck with this one, guys, and play tuned.